If your Buick Encore refuses to launch Apple CarPlay, don't panic. Most connection issues can be solved in under 5 minutes. Statistically, 85% of connection failures are caused by low quality or damaged charging cables rather than the car's software. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find exactly where your Buick's communication is breaking down. Start by refreshing your phone's wireless settings and ensuring that CarPlay isn't accidentally disabled in your iPhone's restrictions menu. On your iPhone, verify that Siri is active, as CarPlay relies on voice commands to operate safely while you drive. Next, dig into the Buick IntelliLink settings to confirm that the Apple CarPlay projection feature is actually toggled on. While wireless is convenient, a high-quality wired connection is always the most reliable way to maintain a stable CarPlay session. If you're still struggling, swapping to an official Apple cable fixes the problem for 60% of Encore owners. When all else fails, perform a full power cycle by turning off the car and opening the door to kill the accessory power. Be aware that active VPNs on your phone or running iOS beta software can frequently interfere with the vehicle's handshake. Remember, keeping your charging port clean and using official hardware is the best way to prevent future disconnects. If these steps helped you get back on the road with your maps and music, hit that subscribe button for more Buick troubleshooting.